Hey everyone, welcome back to AI News Daily, the show where we break down the biggest moves in artificial intelligence so you never miss a beat. Today we've got a fascinating trio of stories, all from OpenAI, covering mathematical breakthroughs, independent safety research, and a massive global expansion into India. Let's dive in. OpenAI submits its first formal mathematical proofs, a landmark in AI reasoning. OpenAI has announced the submission of its very first formal proof contributions, meaning AI systems are now generating mathematical arguments rigorous enough to be submitted for academic and formal verification. This is genuinely a big deal. For years, critics have argued that large language models can talk about math without truly reasoning through it. Formal proofs require airtight logical steps, no faking it. If AI can reliably produce verified proofs, the implications stretch from accelerating scientific research to transforming how we trust AI outputs in high stakes fields like medicine, law, and engineering. We're watching the line between AI assistant and AI co scientist blur in real time, and this is one of the clearest signals yet that line is nearly gone. OpenAI backs independent AI alignment research, a transparency play or genuine safety commitment. In a move that's turning heads across the AI safety community, OpenAI has announced funding and support for independent researchers working on AI alignment, the challenge of making sure AI systems actually do what humans want and value. What makes this notable is the word independent. OpenAI is essentially funding research that could critique or challenge its own models and practices. That's either a bold transparency move or a very savvy PR strategy, probably a bit of both. Either way, the outcome matters. Alignment research is one of the most critical and underfunded areas in all of tech. More researchers with more freedom working on this problem is unambiguously a good thing. This could attract top talent to the field and produce findings that shape the next generation of AI safety standards industry wide. Introducing OpenAI for India, a strategic expansion into the world's largest developer market. OpenAI has officially launched a dedicated India initiative, signaling a major strategic push into one of the most important technology markets on the planet. India has the world's largest, or second largest, depending on how you measure it, developer population, a booming startup ecosystem, and a government that has been actively courting global AI investment. This isn't just about selling ChatGPT subscriptions. OpenAI for India likely means localized language support, partnerships with Indian enterprises and universities, and potentially data center investments. For OpenAI, India represents both a massive user base and a deep talent pool. For Indian developers and businesses, this could mean faster, more culturally relevant AI tools. It also puts OpenAI in direct competition with homegrown Indian AI initiatives and rivals like Google and Microsoft, who are already deeply embedded in the region. Step back and look at today's three stories together, and a clear picture emerges. OpenAI is simultaneously pushing the frontier of what AI can do with formal proofs, building public trust through independent safety research, and planting its flag in one of the world's most consequential tech markets. This isn't scattered news. It's a coordinated signal that OpenAI is playing a long, global, and increasingly responsible game. The question for the rest of the industry is, can anyone keep up? If you found today's stories as fascinating as we did, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you never miss an episode. Drop a comment below. Which of today's stories excites or concerns you the most? We read every single one.